I called him June Boy. That's the family name, but Deams was my oldest brother. He loved all kinds of music, especially jazz. He enjoyed his life, but when you can't speak, people diminish you. They interpret you as not being intelligent when you are. He understood everything you said, and he would react sometime to people when they would say things. He would look at them, and I'd say, they don't understand, June Boy. It was on a Monday, June 11th. There was a contracted cab driver that transported Deams that day. There was a crash due to his gross negligence that caused my brother's death. I called Breit Biniazan. By the time I got back to the hospital, they were there. Kevin and the detective were there. Very compassionate. He heard me through my grief, through my anguish, actually hurt me. And I knew that I was in good hands. It was the best feeling to know that I'm going to find out exactly what happened, and I did. I did not know all the particulars of that. I wouldn't have never found out what happened to my brother had I relied on the Commonwealth attorney's outcome. It started right away. I felt the relief right away that somebody cared about what happened. They took my case to trial, and they won, hands down. Kevin saw to it. And to watch him at work and to see everybody that he had on his team, it was just flowing. Everything flowed. Kevin and his team saw worth in my brother's life, and they saw that my brother meant the world to me. And they were going to fight for me. They promised me that, and they did.